In this video, we'll show you how to add prefixes and suffixes to the parameters in your charts widget. This simple trick can greatly enhance your charts and make them more understandable. Let's start with a basic chart. As you can see, this chart displays parameters with values like 5, 10, and 20. These numbers are clear, but we can make them even more informative. To add a prefix or a suffix, click Settings on the left panel. In the Settings window, find the option to add a prefix. Let's say our chart measures money. I'll type $sign as our prefix. You can see the updated prefix in our charts. Now, every number is preceded by a $sign, making it clear that we're talking about money. You can add a suffix in a similar way. Let's say we want to add a time reference, like per month. Go on and type it into the suffix field. And there you have it. Our chart now clearly shows $sign before each number and per month after, making the data both precise and easy to understand. As you've seen, adding prefixes and suffixes is a quick and easy way to enhance your charts. Experiment with different options to see what works best for your data. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, press the bell to get notifications. Thanks for watching!